Okay, the passage is called Bears. Most people believe that bears spend their winters hibernating. However, according to the scientific definition of hibernation, what bears actually do resembles more of a very deep sleep than hibernation. The reason for hibernation and deep winter sleep is the same. Since food is scarce during winter months, it is quite challenging for animals to find food. In addition, the colder weather makes it difficult for animals to maintain their normal body temperature. As a result, many animals, bears included, hibernate and survive off their stored body fat. During hibernation, its body temperature and metabolism are reduced significantly. This keeps any growth or development from occurring. Since bears are not truly hibernating, their growth is not truly halted. They sometimes wake up during the winter and move to another location if needed. To prepare for their deep sleep, bears fatten up with several months of good eating. Then they search for a cozy den to snooze through the cold winter months and live off their stored fat. When spring arrives, bears wake up and are ravenous. Scientists in Yellowstone Park found out that grizzly bears put some thought into their winter dens. Often they chose isolated areas where they won't be disturbed, like right on canyon walls, where it will be challenging for a person or animal to intrude. Grizzly bears also line their dens with fine insulation of pine and fir branches. It has also been discovered that grizzly bears will not enter their dens for their winter sleep until the start of a blizzard. Acting on natural instinct and self-preservation, the first blizzard signals the need to start the deep sleep. The blizzard also covers the bears' tracks, so their den stays a mystery. No one could know where a sleeping bear is curled up deep inside the den. So what you're going to do next is you're going to answer the 4 questions that are following the passage. Make sure that you highlight your answer on your answer sheet. And then you also want to make sure you're typing the context clues that you use to come up with your answer from the passage, okay, in the boxes here, okay? And then don't forget to submit your assignment when you are done.